Hi, this is Chris and welcome to Winemaker TV. If you want to learn how to make wine, meads, and ciders at home, this is the place for you. If you like what you see here, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new wine and a new video. Also, share this on all your social media so we can share the hobby of winemaking with the world. Today, we'll be making a cranberry wine, so stay tuned. It's almost Thanksgiving, so I figured today we'll be in the little holiday spirit. We'll make a cranberry wine. Why cranberry? Because mashed potatoes and gravy wine didn't sound too good, nor turkey. So let's go over what you'll need. Okay, this is going to be a pretty simple wine today. We're going to be making a 1 gallon batch of cranberry wine. So you'll just need you a 2.5 gallon fermenter, and I already got 3 pounds, so you need 3 to 5 pounds of cranberries. Smells good. 3 cups of sugar. I got just plain white sugar, but I prefer light brown, but we're going to be using 3 cups of sugar, white sugar today. And you need a gallon of water and your good old potato smasher to smash these up to release that good flavor. These were frozen and previously, then right before, like the day before, I'm going to make the wine, thaw them out. And today we'll be using a Premier Red Star Cuvee. So you're going to need yourself a way to heat up some water. So I always like to use my trusty tea kettle. Heat up the water, pour it over. So let's get started. All right, step 1 is go ahead and get your water heated up. So like I said, I already got my 3 pounds of previously frozen cranberries in my fermenter. So I'm going to go ahead and add this sugar just to get it out of the way. I'm going to take our sanitized I always keep a handy dandy, so if you can't remember, you just give it a few squirts of your sanitizer. I always keep right near me. And we ain't got to get crazy with mashing these up. We just want to macerate them just a little bit. And you can go ahead and stir it up a little bit too. But you can hear them popping. Like I said, this is all while your water's heating up. Get this work done. Got 3 cups of sugar. 3 pounds cranberries. I'm going to continue mashing this up and we'll be right back. We got our water from our tea kettle. We're just going to add that. Just dump it straight in. Take your stainless steel spoon that's been sanitized and give it a quick stir. Get them sugars incorporated. This is how it looks. Real blood red. So I'm going to continue stirring this to get all the sugar stirred up. We'll be right back. All right, we got it all stirred up. We're going to add the remainder of the 1 gallon of water. You want yourself a good quality water. I have a filter that I filter water through, so this is out of my tap, but I do have a filter that I like to filter my water through. So we added that water. Gonna give it another little stir. Now, because of that water from the tea kettle, this is going to be too hot for our little yeasties, so we're going to let this set until it gets room temperature. So we'll be right back once this hits room temperature. All right, we got our hydrometer here, and I've been in the past kind of laxical on this because I really make wine for myself, but I really need to start using my hydrometer more. because especially on like this where I've never really made a cranberry wine before. So until you get your recipe locked down, like I want this around 10 to 12% alcohol. So for those who didn't make it to the end of this video will not hear this. So I added 2 cups of sugar. That merely made it strong enough for beer. So I went and added 6 more cups to get it up to 1.08, which makes it 10% alcohol. So for those who have made it this far, 8 cups of sugar, not 2 cups of sugar. So from now on, I'm going to get more diligent, and y'all need to too, about testing your readings on your wines. Also, that's when you know it's finished fermenting. If you get 2 readings in 2 consecutive weeks that are the same, fermentation's done. Now, come up to the last step is pitching our yeast. Again, I have Red Star Cuvee, and I'm just going to this package will do up to 5 gallons, so I'm just going to sprinkle it. That's it. We'll be back to wrap things up. So this is Chris with Winemaker TV. So happy Thanksgiving. Also, if you want to help support my channel, there'll be links in the description below. Those are Amazon affiliate links. Even if you don't need any equipment, if you click one of my links and go about your normal Amazon purchases, I will get a commission that will help me to go buy ingredients and equipment. This is Chris with Winemaker TV, and that's all there is today. If you want to help support my channel, there'll be links in the description below. Those are Amazon affiliate links. Even if you don't need any equipment, if you click one of my links and go about your normal Amazon purchases, I will get a commission that will help me to go buy ingredients and equipment. This is Chris with Winemaker TV, and that's all there is today.